Allsop and Allsop bring you this large 2-bed in Yacht Bay with a large kitchen and open plan living area once you walk in, with ample over and under counter storage space, built-in appliances. The living area has a large outdoor terrace area overlooking the pool for the building. The apartment is bright and airy with plenty of windows in the main area. There's a guest bathroom with toilet and sink. Guest bedroom also features ensuite with bath and sink. Plenty of fitted wardrobes, again overlooking the pool. Yacht Bay is situated a short walk from the Marina Mall and the Dubai tram. The second bedroom also features a large bedroom area, plenty of room for a king size bed, toilet, sink and also bath. Again, fitted wardrobes throughout.